Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to decrease color contrast on the X app, previously known as Twitter, right from your computer. If you've noticed the colors on your timeline looking a bit too bold or the contrast feeling too strong, this quick guide will help tone things down for a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're in, head over to the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled More. Click on that to open a list of additional settings and features. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can adjust everything from your account preferences to your privacy and accessibility tools. Click on it to move forward. Now, from the list that appears, look for Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Once you see it, click to open the submenu. You'll then want to choose Accessibility. This is where you'll find several options that help tailor how X looks and feels while you scroll, read, and interact. Inside this accessibility section, you'll notice an option called Increase Color Contrast. If this box is checked, it means color contrast is currently enhanced, making outlines and text darker and more defined. To decrease the contrast and bring back softer tones, simply uncheck that box. That's it, your changes are applied instantly. You can now browse your timeline with smoother visuals and a lighter contrast that's easier on the eyes. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you spend a lot of time on X, especially in low-light environments, or when your screen brightness is high. If you ever want to switch things back, just repeat these steps and check the box again. Experiment until the display feels just right for your personal comfort. Thanks for watching.